How-tos keyboard shortcuts. First, position your cursor at the front of anything that you've written down or at the front of a new thing. Once you have positioned your cursor in front of a new thing, you can use space to add a tab, you can use backspace to remove a tab, enter to add a space, or backspace to remove the space. To join two things together, place your cursor at the front of the thing and hit backspace. You may also re-separate these things by clicking enter in the middle of a thing. In order to change the dash, type any of the following items, followed by tapping spacebar in order to confirm your dash type. To add a bullet, use period. To add a number, type 1 period. To add a task, use brackets. To add text, use 3 periods. And finally, to add a dash, use dash. This has been How-To's Keyboard Shortcuts.